here and quickly show you a quick recipe on how to make pizza dough. A lot of kids are home now and I thought it would be a creative thing, cute thing to do with the whole family. So come, let's do it together. I have 4 cups of flour, 1 cup of lukewarm water. You're gonna need sugar, salt, and oil. So I'm gonna start off with my 1 cup of lukewarm water into the bowl with a tablespoon of yeast. To that add 1 tablespoon of sugar and let that activate. Once it starts bubbling a little bit, we're going to add in the 4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and about 2 tablespoons of oil. Start mixing it until a nice dough forms. Now I have an additional 3/4 of a cup here of water. Keep adding it a little bit at a time until you get a nice consistency. Okay.
So Mama, which line should I do up to this line? Wait.
Half a page, Joshua.
Oh, so now I should do it until this line, right?
Correct.
Because that's...
The dough is ready now and it's just a little bit dry, so I just see a little bit of flour on the dough and I want to get rid of that. So I'm going to be adding oil. Instead of adding water, I'm going to add oil because if I'll add the water, then it'll get sticky, then I'll have to add more flour and it's just going to keep going like that. So I'd rather add the oil, which will create some moisture and make the dough look very smooth. Also, for 4 cups of flour, I used 1.5 cups of water in this recipe. Cover the dough with plastic, put it into your oven or somewhere warm until it doubles in size. And I'll be back and I'll show you what it looks like. Since my oven is on self-clean right now, that's the warmest area in the house. So I'm placing the bowl with the dough right next to it and it'll be risen in no time. Okay.
I'm ready.
Everybody ready to make pizza?
Yeah, like totally.
Here is the dough, nice and risen. I don't even know if that's the word, risen.
Rising?
It has
Rising?
risen, I think that's the correct.
Hello. Rising.
Yeah, so
Hello.
if it's sticky, you could add a little flour at the bottom. Everybody wash your hands again.
I did.
We all washed our hands before, but we're gonna do it again. So I have this pan that I got in, I think a 99-cent store. Maybe even Amazing Savings has it. I'm sure you can order it on Amazon. And try to make it as thin as you can. Some people like thick crust, some people like very thin. So depending on how thick or thin you like your crust, just roll it out to that. You guys are excited about pizza?
Yeah.
It's okay, let me touch it. Make sure everything is even. Okay, now let's make sure it's a good size.
I told you it was bigger.
That's fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be delicious.
It doesn't. It has to be pointy.
So I'm just gonna cut
Why a little bit?
because I don't want it to be too thick because my family doesn't like such thick crust. it right next to, and I'm gonna try to, and you push it, go put underneath. Go, 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 go. Okay, stop. Now hold the side of the dough and pick it up, and let's place it on the pizza.
It's so fun. It's so fun, like, you know. Mama, I don't like the pizza.
You don't like it? Okay.
What about this?
So now we're gonna arrange it so that, now don't pull it too hard. Now we're gonna make a little crust. See? Everybody make a little crust on the side. It's okay, just make it look presentable. Good job, excellent. Now who can guess? No, he washed his hands. Who can guess what goes next? What goes on the pizza?
Tomato sauce. Can I spread it?
Yes, let's go get the sauce.
I'm spreading it. Mom said spreading it. Can I also?
Yoshua, you throw it in. Miriam, go get a spoon for us to spoon the, the whole thing.
Meat.
So I just use a small can of, no, it's not meat, this is dairy.
Okay.
So spread the tomato sauce everywhere.
Mama, can I also do it after him?
We're gonna take turns. I think we're gonna need another can. Here, keep spreading. Okay, now Michelle's gonna spread.
No, I'm not done.
Everyone is watching you.
I'm not done.
And it's okay, you don't have to be done. Miriam, spread.
Mama.
It's fun having all the kids at home.
For me, Miriam.
Everyone gets along so nicely. And now it's Aviva's turn.
Me. They can't really see it.
And Michelle's gonna do it. They can see. They can see someone. They get the gist of it. Here you go. Your turn.
No, they can't see it all.
Excellent. Oh wow.
I'm not done.
1, 2, 3. Excellent. You just did it. Now,
Mom.
who can guess what next? What's next? What?
Cheese.
Onion. What else? What else do you think?
The garlic thingies.
Excellent. Yeah. So we're gonna put some oregano.
Could I?
Yes. You wanna do some shake?
Yeah. But
Okay.
can I do it
Shake.
after?
Everywhere.
Can I do it after him?
Yeah. Go ahead. Everywhere. Shake. Excellent.
Too
Now-
much.
Now I'm gonna finish with the garlic. Yeah, you're gonna do the
I thought we
oregano.
did too much.
No, everyone, everything's fine.
Ah!
It's not a science. It
I
just
do
has to taste good.
I didn't do
Shake. Excellent. Now Michelle, shake. Excellent. Now Aviva, shake.
You skipped me.
We're gonna get to you.
Okay.
And Miriam, shake. Great job. Excellent. Look at you guys. We're gonna have like the best pizza ever. Okay, who thinks they know what comes next?
Cheese.
That's
Can I put it?
So what are you? We're using mozzarella.
Can I do it?
So a handful for each one. A handful. Take. Put your hand inside and put it on the pizza. One handful per person. Excellent. Now Michelle's turn. Excellent. Now Yoshua's turn.
Professional style.
Great job.
Did not wash your hands.
Everybody wash their hands. Everybody. Make sure of that. And Aviva's turn.
Extra for me to eat. Yeah.
Michelle, you ready also?
Yeah.
Nadia. Okay,
I
now
think
it's Mama's turn.
No. Now we have some these.
Yeah, 1 second. Can I just finish the pizza
I'm
presentation?
sure.
Pizza came out so beautifully and looks delicious. Okay, so we're gonna preheat the oven to 500 degrees. That's what's gonna make the crust crispy, and it's gonna cook very quickly, like 10 minutes, I would say. But I'll let you know for sure. And start. So it reached 500 degrees, and we're gonna put our beautiful pizza in the oven. I'm gonna put a timer on for 10 minutes so I can check on it, and I'll be back then. So this is the end of the 10 minutes. I'm gonna have a peek. see what it looks like, if I need to add a little bit more time. Looks gorgeous. So I'm gonna just try to lift it up. It looks a little pale on the bottom, so I'm gonna keep it in there for a little bit longer, maybe like 5 minutes. Pizza is ready. We're gonna slice into it. Okay, everybody washed your hands?
Yeah. I washed my hands. Mama, I'm not putting my tomato.
Oh, so sorry, but I can't give them away. So there you have it. That's the pizza. It came out nice and crispy and completely delicious. So they just had one slice so far, and they're gonna be finishing up the rest. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, like it and share it, and leave your comments below.